Iowa, they're having a little bit of trouble counting votes.
Yeah, and that reason we now know is a coding error within the app used by the Iowa Democratic Party to report precinct results. The app was made by an out-of-state company called Shadow.
Well, Local 5's Lakyn McGee joins us live in the studio. Lakyn, you are learning more about this failed app.
Yeah, Jack and Stephanie, the app was supposed to make things easier and faster. Instead, chaos erupted. Many of us, they're witnessing it. So we wanted to learn more about the app. I spoke to a local app development company about how the app can go wrong. A caucus night coding fiasco.
You can't test it by putting it in users' hands. You have to do it before it goes out the door.
At Shift Interactive, they say with all eyes on Iowa, these types of projects are complex.
An error, what folks tend to think of, could be a logic problem, could be a math problem, could be a simple omission. Sometimes it's as simple as punctuation.
Local 5 spoke to many different caucus chairs, all claiming the app would not work or would not download on their phones.
This is the result that you tend to see when you're rushing something out the door.
An app fails typically through a lot of edge cases or a lack of user testing.
Precinct chairs told Local 5 many of them downloaded the app hours after the caucuses had already started. Shift Interactive app developers say that's a mistake.
Without proper user testing covering all the fringe cases, a lot of little things pop up that you hadn't thought of before. And those can lead to unexpected failures.
Another issue, ABC News reports that just a little over $60,000 was paid to the developers of the failed app.
That actually doesn't seem like a lot of money.
It certainly isn't for custom software.
Right, for what it was supposed to be.
Absolutely.
And although it was supposed to be a one-time use app,
You're putting code on someone's device. You need to take the care and consideration regardless if it was one time or 1,000 times.
app developers say ultimately the stakes were higher because the app was only supposed to be used one night. Now, Shift Interactive developers tell me an app has to be well done, tested, and trusted before being used. Reporting live tonight in the studio, Lakyn McGee, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.
All right.